In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable 18+ content on Telegram using Telegram Web, step by step. This is a quick and easy tutorial for anyone who wants to adjust their sensitive content settings and refresh Telegram so filtered channels and posts can become visible again. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Telegram Web in your browser and sign into your account. Make sure you're logged into the correct Telegram account before changing anything, especially if you use multiple accounts. Once you're inside Telegram Web, look for the menu icon, usually the power menu in the top corner. Click that menu, then select Settings. Inside Settings, you'll see different options for your Telegram account, profile, notifications, and privacy controls. From there, click Privacy and Security. This is where Telegram keeps the settings related to account protection, content filtering, and other visibility options. Now scroll down until you find the Sensitive Content section. Depending on your region and Telegram version, this section may appear a little differently, but the option you're looking for is usually related to disabling filtering. If you see Disable Filtering, turn it on. This setting can allow Telegram Web to show content that was previously hidden or filtered by default. If the option is available to you, make sure it is enabled before moving on. After turning it on, the next step is very important. Refresh Telegram Web in your browser so the new setting takes effect properly. Once the page reloads, go back and reopen the channel or chat where the content was previously filtered. In many cases, the content should now display normally. If you still don't see it right away, give it a moment, refresh one more time, and make sure you're viewing the channel from the updated session. That's really all there is to it. You've now learned how to enable 18+ content on Telegram Web by adjusting the sensitive content setting and refreshing your session. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.